Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris, and we are here on this cold and rainy day to hopefully light up our spotlight for the first time because the bulb finally came in. So we basically just have to put the new bulb in, but we also haven't run our wire yet, so we're going to take a quick look under the hood and figure out where we want to tie it into our fuse box. Steve, it's almost Halloween. You're going to have to figure out what to do with your life after that. Let's see here. So we have, I don't remember which wires these are actually, but we're about to find out. Horn, switch, and what's the other one? That's the black one. We don't have a horn running through there. I actually don't remember what the horn's running through. And the white one, I don't know what that is. Alright, I don't know what any of these do beyond the fact that they don't have any power, so I'm not sure what they're for exactly. They could be some kind of ground. Might have to go back and reference to my old video where we actually wired Edna. So we're not just hooking stuff up just to hook stuff up, but I did figure out where I want to wire it. So we're going to wire that back up with this zip tie. That's right, yeah, these, I feel like these are grounds because I wasn't worried about them touching anything from just hanging here. They've been hanging that way for a couple of years now. So we can put the hood back down because we're not doing anything under here. Sorry, Steve. We're going to use this yellow wire that hangs out over here. This one has brake switch power written on it. We're going to use that because, well, it doesn't do anything for one. We have a, the way we have our taillights and everything wired up through the turn signal switch, we never needed this wire, so it's never been used. So what we are going to do is we're going to put these blue wires back together. We're going to pull our yellow wire over here to the horn. Or what are we working on again? I need to leave this door open. We're down here already. All right, we got ourselves a couple of connectors, these little slides. So we are, and we got our wire cutters. And I can't see the camera at the moment, but I know as long as I keep it pointed, I try to keep everything in front of this emergency brake handle, you guys should be able to see what I'm doing. There's one. Ooh, my knuckle's cracked. Push, pull, push. Get our other one on. Pulled it out. I just had a feeling that didn't crush right. Something didn't feel right. Let's try it again. It sucks. This is the only one I could find. Push, pull, push. Seems good. Plug our ends together here. And then we need a Phillips head screwdriver. Why is this not going together? Tight. Does it only go one way? No. Get back here. There we go. All right. Let's get a Phillips head. Change our bulb. All right. Let's turn our light around so we can get to our screw. Take that loose. I wonder if much water gets in here. It's not exactly super sealed. There's our bulb, and we need a flathead. Apparently we needed both. All right, so let's disconnect our two wires here. 1 and 2. And then we have these 4 little deals in here that hold our bulb in. So those have to come out. Well, that sucks. I don't have any idea where it went. Did it hit me? Everything is wet, so that's awesome. Maybe we can get this one out without screwing everything up. 1, 2. All right, that's out. All right, let's get our new bulb out of the package here, which is now nice and wet. This one's both, so I guess we won't need 2 screwdrivers in the future. There is no top and bottom. I guess we'll just put it in so the part number is straight up. Yeah, there's nothing, no indentation that says it's got to go this way or that way. So I guess like that, and we start putting these clips back in, which we now have 3 of because I don't know where that went. Hopefully I find it, and it doesn't find a tire first. There's 1. There's 2. 3. All right, we're in there. It looks straightish, I guess. All right, so we'll loosen up our screws here and reattach our wires. Decided to test this puppy. Guess that means it's not turned on. Or we didn't wire it up properly, one. Everything's good and wet since it's raining. Put that back on nice and straight. Some lineup required with the screw. There we go. Tight. All right, fingers crossed. Success! I should have wiped that off. It looks nasty. Doesn't seem very bright in the daytime. That's awesome. We have a functional spotlight now. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back after dark and turn it back on just so we could get an idea of what it looks like, because right now it barely looks like it's on. We also know, since Chance asked which way was on and which way was off, that towards the driver's side is off. Let's see, I'll turn it back around over this way so you can see both at the same time. So it's off towards you, and you push away, and it comes on and off. All right. I'll see you guys back after dark. All right, let's turn this thing on. What the?
Yeah, what was that? What was that at the end, bro?
What'd I do?
You farted. Bro.
You farted in the video?
Yeah.
Bro just farted.
There we go. That's cool. You can see Steve, see the angel,
Can I try?
see it around the yard and the house. Yeah.
What's the Michael Myers mask on? Hey, Lucy. There's a huge moth right there. Oh, it's gone now.
Oh, dang, I see it.
Shining on Steve's bald head.
Beam! Cool. What's up, guys? It's Michael Myers.
We have light.
This is so cool. Give Henley a turn. Wait, Henley.
It's pretty bright.
You think I should do that, Dad?
What's that? All right, we're gonna go check out the lawnmower now because we
I don't turn
LED.
this off. I don't turn it off.
There's a thumb switch where your hand's on the handle.
I found it.
You have to show me where that is.
All right, don't slip in the mud.
Can you turn your flashlight on while recording?
I can, but we're about to make some serious light out here.
We have to turn the.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. We have to
Hang on.
We have to turn it on. Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Let there be light, dog.
That is bright.
I was about to sell on the lawnmower, but it's wet.
Nasty. I'm gonna go peek around the corner right there.
Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Adventures with Edna. We finally got our spotlight working as it should after 4 long years, so we're pretty happy about that. I thought it looked pretty good shining around the yard. We're not taking it for a test drive just because it's getting kind of late and it's still raining out here pretty good. Don't forget, adventures are out there everywhere. You just have to look. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Patreon, Instagram, and now TikTok. Everyone have a safe and happy Halloween for 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.